Now let's go down here and we're going to take a look at this nice subfloor that we had put down. He actually put it down. He did a nice job. There's a couple of areas like right there where he just threw a piece in there. Moves around, so I have to fix it and glue it. Then this is kind of like planking. It's a vinyl thick planking that interlocks. Really difficult to work with. It's not a lure that we usually work with. But coming over here, this whole front side of the shower, nothing was in back of it. Not this white piece of wood he put up. I needed to make sure that it was cleaned out and it was fixed and looked nice. Well, you know, looking at how he laid down the floor and cleaned down, you know, the quarter rounds and some areas of caulking that kind of look not so nice, and hammering down some nails, but not all the way. And I said, oh, okay, but around the corner over here, let's come and look over here. Why use a piece of wood? You see that? Hopefully I think it's to the right of the screen. Why not bring a piece of wood, get the right size, and bring it all the way up like you're supposed to? Instead, he leaves it like that. On top of it, he put down, you know, some nice quarter round that I took off. And he placed it down here, making it look, you know, kind of nice. But then when I looked down over here, this was all crumpled. Here's the crumpled mess right there. And so what I did was I came up here and cut it, because now I'm going to put some drywall in here, as you can see. Going to fix it up really nice, patch it up, because there was a big hole right there, and when I opened the hole, and I should have shown you this before I did all this, and what was stuffed in here was a piece of, I don't know, it was a piece of nasty toilet paper. It looked like somebody peed on it, and it actually did smell. That was shoved right in here, and the quarter round was placed here, so maybe he thought that color pee and the wallpaper would match. I don't know, and I wouldn't notice. Well, I do notice stuff like that. And I notice when seams are not brought together properly like that. Okay? We provide nice rentals. We try to. And when I see stuff like this and I have to come back behind somebody and come in here and undo it and fix it, why would you do a really nice job with come around and get a nice piece of wood, oops, doesn't fit, oh, she won't see that, and just bring it up to this point and not bring it up all the way to the wall. And then when you look over here and you see a crumpled piece of drywall and you move the wallpaper and it's all crumpled and you see something inside there and you pull it out and it looks like a piece of toilet paper somebody used to wipe with, and it was shoved in there. And the reason why I say wiped with, because yes, it did smell like pee, okay? So I threw that away right away. I didn't save it to show you. But I tore down this drive from the vinyl. I just tore that off and came in here and found this all messed up. So I have to take extra time when this person was already paid. And he was paid to do a complete job inside. The other thing he didn't do was, and I brought down door skins, was to cut door skins to make a nice casing around the door. Okay, all the way around. There's nothing. It's wide open. And you can see right in through here. And it's all wide open. So I'm going to have to cut strips of skins from the door and put that up. Yesterday, when I was in here patching this up because he didn't even take care of this. So it looks kind of rough right now. That's because this is his second patch of mud. And I had to put a piece, 6 by 4 inch piece of drywall there, and in the back we had to nail it down and put an extra piece of wood there so we can have something for that to hang on. And I'm going to come around here and show you where that's at. Okay, right up there. You see that piece of shim? I have to put that there so that I can put some drywall screws in the drywall on the other side. So, I'm not very happy with this, but I'll tell you, the work he's doing is getting sloppier and he's taking longer, and we won't be giving him any more work. So let me get back to this and we'll catch you up on the next part of this house we have to take care of.